You can't hide anymore. Tell me who's behind all of this. This chip, it's a map. A map to what? Tell me, who sent you here? This isn't over. Not by a long shot. Newfound evidence. We left the scene. Old dusty laundromat. The chip led me through the city's underbelly. Behind a washing machine, a secret world. Down into the unknown. What awaited me? This machine, it translates animal thoughts? Suddenly, a blaring alarm. I was discovered! The heavy steel door slammed shut. Trapped. I pounded on the door, but it was no use. Help! Please, someone help! Then, a familiar face in the ventilation shaft. My allies, cutting through their defenses. The door hissed open. Freedom! My avian friends blinded their sensors. Gasping, I saw the light of the exit. Out into the night, finally safe. We gathered, a council of the innocent. Then, a sleek black car approached, ominous. He demanded the chip, but I refused. My animal army stood with me, united. I will expose your truth to the world! The ultimate showdown, the fate of the neighborhood. I caught it and shut down his whole scheme. Police sirens filled the air. Justice was served. All the stolen packages finally returned home. The neighborhood celebrated their new hero. Peace returned, shared with my loyal friends. A silent promise, a bond for life. And so, the quiet protector of the town lived on,